Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Sagittarius. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Yan ha, para naman po lumago ang channel ni Lola Baby. Okay? Aquarius with the fire elements. Yan ha, handa na ba kayo sa for the second week of February para sa blessing sa pera at pag-ibig? Huminga kayo ng malalim at buksan ang puso ninyo. Tingnan natin ang energy mo for the second week of February. Okay? So, titingnan natin ha, sa halimbawa, sa inyong pamemera, meron bang paparating o unexpected financial opportunity? Meron bang bonus o promotion o kaya gift reward? Sa pag-ibig naman, meron bang posibleng sorpresa, confession o balikan or blessings ng mga nagmamahalan? Okay? Kung nag-resonate naman kayo, yan, pwede nyo pong i-like at i-comment ninyo, I claim, diba? Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa daily tarot ni Lola Baby. Yan na, claim your blessings, Sagittarius. So, umpisahan na po natin ha. Since ang tema, okay, the tema for the month, the whole month of February has something to do with the Aquarius, di ba? So, titingnan natin, okay? Since January is a new beginning, di ba? The end of a cycle, a new partnership, di ba? A new pace, di ba? A new path. But February is about Aquarius na. Okay? Aquarius season. So, titingnan natin ano ang paparating sa inyong love and money. Let's see. Kuhala ako ng energy, ha? Energy ng pag-ibig. Yan, ha? Araw. Yan. Para sa mga Sagittarius. Ito ang tinatawag na the sign of the Sagittarius, an arrow. Okay? Tinatawag na pagka ito itinuon nila sa langit, di ba? Pag tenalsik, di ba? Sagittarius is ruled by half man, half horse, di ba? Yan. You are on the right path. Yan, Sagittarius, this is your sign, okay? It has something to do about your pag-ibig regarding some aspect of your life. Yan, ha? Key, successful outcome to your problems. Susi lang pala ang kailangan para mabuksan ni para ma-resolve ang inyong problema. Okay, gavel, involvement with the law. Ay, be very, very careful kung ano man yan, ha? So, narito ang tinatawag the star, the Aquarius. I say to you, February is the month of Aquarius, di ba? So, yun ang theme, okay? It has something to do, guaranteed success, di ba? In February, first week of February. So, let's see. La 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 la. This is my life, my destiny. La la. Ay naku po, Santa Maria. Okay? So ibig sabihin, don't do anything, don't take action. Alalay ka lang, okay? As above, so below. Ibig sabihin, nag-reverse, okay? Kung ano man ito, okay? May kinalaman ito, okay? Love, maaring family issue, family affair, siblings, your partner, marriage, diba? Whatever it is, ibig sabihin nito, maghintay ka. Don't take, it's like tinatawag precautionary action, diba? Precautionary measure, okay? So, for some of you, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na baka kay ma-high blood, ha? Take care of your heart, okay? Maring dito yung tinatawag na magiging very, kayo, di ba? Argumentative, okay? Control your words, control your action, control your mind, control your emotions. Kaya sama-sama na dito, okay? It's a very, very argumentative period, okay? Argumento. Baka ito yung lalo lang ma-worsen, ma-aggravate, okay? So, Sagittarius, be very, very careful. Especially for the second week of February. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, wag papatol. There is a tendency, okay? Exchanging harsh words, okay? So, whatever is this, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon dito ng kaliwanagan because Aquarius is in a tinatawag tema, okay? The theme of February, okay? Yan, magkakaroon ng pagbabago, okay? Kaya dito kita mo. Yan, the star. Masosolve. Okay, masosolve. It does not need to be kailangang magsuntukan, magpalitan ng mga anghang. Okay? So, it's like tinatawag aregluhan na. Mag-aaregluhan, ha? Siguro ito family issue between relatives, cousins, siblings, parents, di ba? In-laws pwede din, di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag the Ace of Wands. Okay? So, kaya ito, sign na ninyo ito. Okay? Whatever is this, okay? Ito yung tinatawag na disiplina, di ba? Yan, an arrow. You are on the right path regarding some aspects of your life. It has something to do about your discipline, di ba? It's a long-term goals. Yan, it's about long-term goals, okay? Pangmatagalan, okay? So, tingnan natin ang fourth. Okay, so narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Pentacles, di ba? Okay? So, anong sabihin pag sinabi mong the Three of Pentacles, di ba? It's about the desire, di ba? Desireness, yan, no? Whatever is this, okay? Success desired, yan, no? Successful outcome to your problems. It's only the key. You need a key, okay? Para mabuksan ito, ma-unlock, di ba? Your desiredness, okay? So, may kinalaman ito. Tinatawag na, maybe it's about your prinsipyo, di ba? What is your prinsipyo? May pinaglalaba kayong prinsipyo. It's like tinatawag, mine is mine, that is mine, di ba? What belongs to me, di ba? Maybe it's a wealth, di ba? Baka may pinag-uusapan dito, it's like a big issue about wealth, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na kailangang ma-unlock, di ba? Maybe it needs tinatawag na consultant from the lawyer, di ba? From the high court, kung sino man ito, it's like a mediator, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, wag kayong pabugso-bugso, okay? There is a tendency na tinatawag pabugso-bugso ng damdamin, okay? Baka magkasamaan ng loob, makapalitan ng maaanghang na salita. So, let's see your money, okay? La 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 authenticity. Yan, ha? La 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 respect. Yan, di ba? People respect you, okay? Very, very authentic, okay? It's like original. You're original, okay? When it comes to your money. Yan, pagtitiwala. Maybe you have all the trust from people. They trusted you, di ba? Yan. So, it's about identity, okay? Taking care of your identity, your name. You have an identity, okay? Maybe you are identified sa ganyang trabaho, di ba? So, let's see. Okay. La, 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 la. Money. Saan man tayo dalhin tong money ninyo? Maybe sa work, sa career, di ba? Okay. Sagittarius for the second week of February. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it's about your identity, di ba? You have your own identity when it comes to making money. Diba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, authenticity. It's the authenticity, also the authenticity of your work. Diba? Yan ang pinapakita, ha? La, 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 la. Yan, nakita ninyo. You have all the respect. Yan, You have all the respect of your family, friends, people. Yan, They respected you, they believed you. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan o. Kita ninyo, diba? Vertrauen, okay? Respect, diba? It's like tinatawag authentic result, diba? So, ang nakikita ko for some of you is about your diligence, okay? About your work, diba? Yan. So, ito yung tinatawag, your money is growing, will grow, multiply, okay? Yan. It's like, don't worry about your money, okay? It will grow, continue growing. Nakikita ko. Ayan, it's like money grows in the trees. Yan, ha? Money grows. Sumisibol ang pera mula sa puno. Maybe that's your bank account, di ba? From your business, money grows. From your business, bank account, investment. Yan, no? Kita mo. And you have all the respect. Nare-respeto ka nila. It's like tinatawag na money magnet. You have a money magnet, Sagittarius. La 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 la. The authenticity of your work nakikita. Kaya dito respetado kayo, okay? So whatever is this, meron ditong tinatawag na ano ito? Identified. This family is identified as poor, okay? Is this your past lives, di ba? Galing ba kayo sa poor family? Let's say, di ba? Because ito yung tinatawag the Ten of Cups, di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na from rags to riches. Yan, from rags to riches. Okay? From hard work, karoon ng face off. It's like, hindi mo na mararanasan itong paghihirap na ito. It's like, dumadaloy, di ba? Yan, pinipitas mo na lang. Pipitasin mo na lang ang pera sa puno ng kamatsilis. Kababa naman ang kamatsilis natin, di ba? Puno ng mangga. Di ba? Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na ayaw mo nang makita what happens in the past, di ba? Halimbawa, sabihin natin karukhaan, di ba? Kawalan, ayaw mo na itong makita, di ba? So, kung kaya dito, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, I'm taking control. Okay? It's about time to move, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, dala-dala mo, okay? Mapagmahal kayo sa family. Maybe this is your work, di ba? Maybe you're a psychologist, a teacher, a psychiatrist, a mentor, a lawyer, di ba? DSWD, di ba? You love, nakikita dito, you love to help, especially family, friends, other people, di ba? Yan, Kaya dito nakikita, mayaman kayo. Hindi lang kayo malayaman financially, mayaman kayo sa mga kaibigan. Di ba? It's like kasi nanggaling ako dyan. Di ba? Naranasan ko ito. Kaya ito'y tumutulong din ako. Di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nitong the Ace of Pentacles. Yan. There is manifesting. Okay? Give and take. What you give to others, you will receive. Very, very karmic. Good karmic. Yan, kita mo. Because of trust, di ba? You are building trust. You and them building trust, di ba? The authenticity of your soul, of you as a person, di ba? Okay? Kita mo, di ba? Your achievements, your pride, di ba? So, whatever is this, yan, di ba? Karmic, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, what you give is what you receive. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, mayaman ka lang, hindi lang sa pera, pati sa mga kaibigan. And it shows, okay? It shows. Yan. Thank you very much.